From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Welcome to Philemathics series, where mathematics is simplified. In this video, we are going to be differentiating the logarithm of the quotient of a polynomial with a root function. So if y is natural log of x squared minus 1 all cubed over square root of 2x plus 5. So you want to simplify this logarithm. Recall that the logarithm of x over y is log of x minus log of y. We can do the same here. This is log of x squared minus 1 all cubed minus log of 2x plus 5. The square root can be placed as to power 1 over 2. Now from laws of logarithm, the power can multiply the log. And so this gives us 3 log of x squared minus 1 minus same thing here. The power 1 over 2 multiplies the log of 2x plus 5. Now it's time to differentiate the y, the x. Will simply be, if you have y as ln x, derivative of y with respect to x we know is 1 over x. Now for this case, the inner function is a quadratic expression, so we can differentiate it. If we differentiate the outside, we'll have 3 multiply x squared minus 1, but the inner function, which is x squared minus 1, if you differentiate it, you have 2x. The same thing happens here. 1 over 2, differentiate the log of this, you have 1 over 2x plus 5. If you differentiate the inner one, it is simply 2. So this 2 can go with this 2, and at the end of the day, our dy, the x we are looking for, will give us 6x over x squared minus 1 minus 1 over 2x plus 5. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye.